Hi, welcome back. So a little while ago I made a video on the fidget spinners, well fidget toys, sorry, not fidget spinners, and this fidget slime skull, whatever they're called, was one of them. Since I've been looking around on Make-A-World, actually, because this one was on Make-A-World, and the guy, well, the creator of this particular one, Philly Foo, he's got a bunch more. So we'll jump over to the laptop and show you what we're on about. We're on Make-A-World on Philly Foo 3D's main page. If you go to the 3D models, you'll see he's got loads, but so you've got Pokemon Twists, Mario Twists, Star Wars, more Pokemon, more Star Wars. There's loads to choose from. So I did a bit of a selection. Went with the Darth Vader, the Death Star. I did a Stormtrooper, did a Cubone, and a Pikachu, which is there somewhere. Yep. Unfortunately, even though some of these are in multicolour, due to not having the multicolour system for the Centauri carbon yet, they ought to be in single colour, but they came out just fine. Spot on. So I'll just run through my settings really quick. Right, so I've got the Mandalorian fidget toy, twist toy, whatever they're called, loaded up in Elegoo Slicer. Just go through my settings. 0.24 is a draft. 0.24, 0.24, strength, 2 wall layers, 5 shells, yeah. 10% infill. Speeds are just standard. Supports need to be off, which they are. And other no brim. Right, let's get that sliced. And then we'll get that printed. How long is it going to take? Just the thing to bear in mind is these do take a long time to print for something as small as they are. So there you go, 5 hours, 56 minutes. Right, so I'll get that sent off to the printer, and along with all the other ones I'm going to print, and then I'll see when we got them done. And there you go, best part of 40 hours of printing. So started with the skull, did a Pikachu. Actually, I did the Mandalorian one after that one, and I think it was the Pikachu one. And the Cubone. That's a really good one, actually, is that. Stormtrooper. Death Star. And Darth Vader. That doesn't want to do it. Hang on. But yeah, loads of fun. Kids love playing with them. I think I'm going to be losing these after this video. But yeah, check out Philly Foo. Check out his page. Loads of different designs. Multicolour, already painted everything, ready to go. Yeah, definitely one to check out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.